Good morning. It's not morning. I don't know how to start a video if it's not morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Thank you for being with me as I drive into town. No. I'm silly. I'm in a silly mood. Anyway, I am headed to town because I'm going to the Aquatic Center, working on my back still, loosening it up. I think it's working pretty good, actually. Don't feel as much pain when I bend over in my buttocks area, like the sciatic. So it's a little, I didn't go Saturday and Sunday because of the kids, so today's Monday. Got my video posted, the Meal Planning Monday video today. I need to get away from the computer for a while. Did all those videos, which is, you know, it's kind of difficult to film a video and then sit down right after that and edit it and get it uploaded. It's a full day. Some this week were late because of that, because I've been going into town, going to the Aquatic Center. That takes, I don't know, what, 2 hours by the time I drive into town and then drive back, or if I have to do something in town or whatever. So I got that video done. I got a book at the mobile library when it came at the beginning of the month. I finished that book, and so now I'm wanting to start another one and kind of just stay on the fiction books right now. So I thought this would be a good time to go to the library and get me a library card. I have the library card for the mobile library. It's with the state of New Mexico, and so I'm gonna go into town and get me a library card for the library here. And there is a book that I want to check out, and I checked online and they do have it. It's a new book. It shows it's on the new bookshelf, so I'm gonna get that. I'm kind of doing, I'm a slow reader, and I can get bored easy. So where I'll put down a book and then I'll pick it back up later, and then I'll pick it. So we only have a couple of weeks left here, so I'm kind of doing something I probably shouldn't do, but I'm trying to do it to make me read more. There's a timeline. Well, there's always a timeline with the library book. So, but this is like it, I don't know, I haven't checked out a library book and I don't know when, so maybe their timelines are different. Used to be, if I recall, was 2 weeks. I don't know if that's still the case, but I have been known to check out a book for 2 weeks and then would go back and recheck it out because I didn't finish it. Yeah, some books I can read in 1 or 2 days, and then others it takes me a while. Like I said, I can get bored real easy, and then I can even read 4 or 5 books at a time, and then that way I don't always finish them. So that's not always good either. But I'm kind of putting this pressure on me, knowing that we're going to leave. So I'm going to go ahead and start this book to make myself finish it and get it back to the library. So we'll see if that happens. Yeah. But I saw this book. I've watched several book review videos, channels, I guess. And this guy's been reading this book and he really liked it. And he said a 5 out of 5. And I really like how he reviews the books. So made me want to check it out. And I could get it, I could buy it on the Kindle for $2.99. Why do that when I keep going into town anyway and I want to get a library card? And So I'm wanting to utilize the local library more too. The mobile library at here at the home base, and then the local library. So, and I haven't been there, so I'm excited about going to check it out too. Alright, I just got out of the Aquatic Center. I did an extra 5 minutes today. I can feel it walking from in there to out here. It's like I've been doing 30 minutes just random exercises, kicking and arms and walking and I don't know, just all kinds of stuff. And so I decided to do the lifeguards, and I'm usually the only one in the pool, so I feel so weird because when I get there, the lifeguard comes out and he sits there and he has to stare at you the whole time. So it's just weird, he or she. So you're just like, feel weird going swimming up and down the, you know, or whatever. But that's their job. And I was thinking that the other day. I was like, in all the sports, there is not that I can think of off the top of my head. I was just running through. It was like all the sports and dangerous ones. You don't have lifeguards. You know, you can have a heart attack doing basketball, or I mean, I guess you got trainers, I guess, around. But I was thinking about that. It's not swim at your own risk here. It's they have a lifeguard, and they switch off every 20 minutes. So he came out when I got there. So no, I did 40 minutes. That's right. I did 10 extra minutes. No wonder. Because I thought, I'll wait until they switched at 20, and I thought, I'll wait till the other guy comes out at when they switch, so that'd be 40 minutes. I can't count. Yeah, 40 minutes. But the last probably 7 minutes of it, I was 5 minutes, 7 minutes walking to the steps to get out and kind of just relaxing. The only thing is, this Aquatic Center, out of all the ones I've been to in my travels, this one does not have a hot tub. I don't get that. And the pool water isn't as hot as I think it should be. Warm, not hot. But, because by 30 minutes, I'm getting cold. And I wouldn't think you'd want a therapeutic pool to be like that. But I don't run it, so. So I am going to go to Walmart and get some stuff for Cook With Me. And I think that's it. But anyway, I did that last week, one time after the swim, and it was good for me to walk. It's like you get your land legs back, to walk with the cart and just kind of let your back and legs get used to walking again. So I'm going to do a little bit of walking around Walmart. All right, let's need something to drink. I've been drinking a lot more tea. I think I've had a Diet Coke, one Diet Coke in the last week. I bought a 6-pack last week sometime, and I've only drank one, so doing good in that area. And kind of tired, and I'm munchy. I'm hungry after swimming. All right, let's go to Walmart. What's the number one rule? You don't go to Walmart when you're hungry. I have to. I've got to get stuff for it. Cook With Me. Yeah, I need a snack. Should I buy a chicken? I think not. So this is where they had the corned beef. Now they have ham and turkey. Saved $7.40. Originally $21. Wow. I think I am going to get a ham though. $10.89. We can get a lot of meals out of this. So on the other side, there's these ham steaks for $5.44. That's all you get for $5.44. So this one is $5.44 a pound, so that's only a pound. Yeah, 16 ounces. This is $3.26 a pound. Look at this. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. Cans are bent. 100% pumpkin. So the only provolone they have that's great value is this. It's got 24 slices. I don't need that much. 23 cents a pound versus, oh, that doesn't even say. Oh, well, I could make ham sandwiches with this too. Alright, I'm gonna put this one back.